Hey everybody, Gulf Coast EDC here. Got another quick unboxing review for you. If you saw the title, then you know. So we got the Boker Magnum Rockstub in blue Elox. Rockstub. Kind of a out there name, but I saw this and I haven't seen any reviews or anything. I just kind of saw it on the page on Blade HQ, and it just looked like a really nice knife, and of course the blue color didn't hurt, and the price, I want to say this thing's $40, so yeah, let's get into it. It's a regular box, right? Yeah, some paperwork here. Okay, some pledges, some more pledges. Oh, okay, don't eat that, kids. Let's see. Looks like, yeah, just a boxing tray. Oh yeah. So this thing is super awesome looking. So it's got Boker's I don't know what Boker's calling it, but basically they're Omega spring lock there. Okay, clip there. Nice that it's got the recessed screws in it. 440B steel, so I mean nothing to write home about, but for $40, I mean that's a very nice looking knife for 40 bucks. That blue is just something else. Time will tell. You know, I'm sure this is aluminum, and over time will get scratched. I guess we'll see after I care it a while, but let's see. Oh, that was weak. Okay, so it doesn't really have super snicked powers. You know, it doesn't have that really great lockup that you want to hear. Okay. It can be done, okay. Lock bar is kind of causing some drag, I think. Gives you some satisfaction, but doesn't give you the really awesome ringing sound you want. Hard to say what it'll sound like on this video. Sometimes I play the videos back and it sounds terrific, and I'm saying that it doesn't sound that great. But in person, it sounds okay, I would say. It doesn't sound fantastic. But the lines on this knife are really nice. It's just a really nice, good-looking pocket knife. We'll do some size comparisons with it. Let's see. Let's do, here's a mini bug out right there. It's pretty close. You can tell that, you know, the Rockstub's it's a little stubbier. It's a little thicker. Here's a full-size bug out. You can see that it's slightly wider than the bug out is, but a little bit shorter here. Size-wise, you know, length really closer to the mini bug out. And just a couple more for giggles, just in case you're one of the 3 people watching this video that don't own a bug out or a mini bug out. Here's a Delica 4, and for all your high-end guys out there, slightly high-end I guess, there's a Quiet Carry the 9. So you kind of see some sizes there. It's right in line with a mini bug out, but it feels nicer in the hand. You know, the mini bug out is a small knife. It's, you know, it still feels good, you know, but it's a skinny, small kind of knife. This is not. It's not as beefy, you know, as the 9 is. Like, you can see the 9's. Don't look at that blade, okay? I haven't cleaned it yet. I actually use my gear sometimes. But it's a you know, it's a good sized knife. It's not crazy, but you can see that the Rockstub is right in line with that. Man, that color though, I just can't get over that. It's hopefully it's showing on video, but in person it's just nice. It's like a candy apple blue. I know there's no such thing, but if there was a candy apple blue, then this would be it. It definitely is nice looking knife, nice thumb stud action, nice deployment. So yeah, we'll see how it carries and how it holds up in the future. But yeah, well, if you like this kind of stuff, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as of August 22nd, these are on Blade HQ for $40. So yeah, Boker Rockstub. Who knew? I didn't. All right. Well, thanks you guys for joining me, and see you on the next one.